and I invested on my sleep. And if you want to know how I did that, please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fantastic. Today I am back with a very exciting new video for you all of January 2022, which I am super thrilled about. So as we all know that we all are working from home, and if I don't get, I'm sure it happens with you all as well, if you don't get a proper sleep, your whole day gets on to your nerves that you are having back pain, headache and whatnot. So let me just talk a little more about this brand Sleepsia. They not only give you comfortable sleep, they also look into the posture of your head as well and have a peaceful sleep. So Sleepsia is India's manufacturing pillow brand, which actually provides you very comfortable, and it is made up of very soft and good comfort foam. We have seen many pillows in the market. When it comes to foam, I am very choosy, guys, because I need something which actually give a nice strength to your back and also rest my back so that it doesn't hurt. So this pillow is actually something which I was eyeing on. Sleepsia pillows also offer you orthopedic comfort with ergonomic designs, and also not to forget, they also give you comfort for your back as well as for stiff neck. So if you guys have stiff neck, like for example, like I work on laptop whole day, so I do get this area complete pain. So for me, this pillow is something which does a magic to my neck, guys. I'm not even kidding to you. This pillow is extremely soft with lavish design in contour shape, perfect for issues like snoring, asthma, allergy, insomnia, neck pain and migraines. So if you guys don't know, I am a person who gets migraine like this, okay? I don't know, I have lately been suffering with migraine issue a lot. So this has actually improved my sleeping pattern, and this has also improved my sleeping time. Earlier I used to be a night owl, guys, but now trust me, the moment I lie down and put my meditation song, and I have a very soothing sleep, guys. So my first impression for this pillow was, so it is extremely soft. Can you just see, it just goes back to the shape automatically, and yeah, I don't have to do anything, guys. So if you are keeping your head on this pillow, and it goes like this, if you can see here, it goes like this with your head pressure. This cover is actually a quilted textile covering, so which is very good quality. So the instruction is given on this cover that how you can wash this. So this side basically gives a very good rest to your neck. So if you press this, it actually takes the shape of your neck and it comes back to the shape just like how it was. I am in love with this pillow, guys. What I really like about this pillow is the fabric is very sensitive. Now when I tell sensitive, it means it actually takes your body heat and turn into a mold, like it actually takes the shape of your body and it processes to create a personalized fit to you. I'm sure you all are aware of it that pillow covers and pillows does accumulate a certain amount of dust, and that leads to acne on your skin while you sleep. So however, Sleepsia pillows are completely dust resistant, guys. Sleepsia Memory Foam Pillows are actually in the luxury category, and when we talk about luxury, it actually comes with a price point. However, this is completely budget friendly, and it's a money which you need to invest on, which is your sleep, guys. All right, the reason being is it actually gives a very excellent for easing your tension points, which is your head, neck and shoulder. It also gives a support pressure for the points in certain areas and also in your body, so that you get an adequate amount of sleep. Sleepsia Memory Foam Pillows are perfect for your neck and shoulder pain, and it actually contours your spine so that your cervical spine, which is the first 7 bones in your neck, if any of you have this problem, that actually gives you an excellent orthopedic support for your neck and shoulder. So guys, you will not find this sort of a pillow at the price point what they are, and in terms of benefits, you have multiple benefits which actually helps you to get a peaceful sleep. The reason being why I'm insisting into buy this product, because at this price point you will never find so many benefits in a pillow, and you actually need a peaceful sleep, guys. So I would highly request you to invest some money on your sleep. And with that said, I shall see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this review. Do let me know what's your take on this pillow as well as on this complete video, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.